Oh yeah, I am in Cirrus. The Cirrus is Victor Hotel, Charlie Hotel Delta, and it's coming from Australia. Yeah, and we are flying over Brazil right now. So it's a really long trip. But I would like to say thank you so much to David Crawford and his wife, his wife Olivia, and the company. It's a very nice company. Uh, it's a BossQueen company from Australia, and I can consider David my friend because we are going a big partnership, and he sold this aircraft for our company. Our company is a Vaier Aero Trading in Brazil. So I am very happy to have David and Olivia as my friends. And again, thank you so much. We start a very good partnership with Boss Queen from Australia and VI.